Hello everyone for the happy live coding live stream, and today as usual we're going to code on something open source. Hello Lego. Yes, so today I've chosen to work on something different. Because it's because I have to because I wanted to make something different. I wanted to fix a bug on another project. So let me open my browser and let's start. So changing the screen. Okay, so you should see my screen, the browser, and there is one project. Well, actually, I'm going to open Twitter. Yes, Twitter, and I had like a bug that we had last week in this tweet, I think. And if I click on the, so that was the Paris Java user group event last week, and we had a Google Calendar link. I click on it. It is missing the date. So as it is missing the date, it's displaying the next hours. I guess next hours. Yeah, as for the event, but it was on Thursday. On last Tuesday. Sorry. So what was wrong is that as Lego, I think you mentioned, it was missing the param location and date because it was truncated. Maybe it was Twitter, maybe it was a copy paste. I don't know, but it was missing the M. So now we have to, I'm generating these links with a project. This one. I'm going to paste that in the chat. And this project is, yes, it helped me to generate the Google Calendar, but also the emails that are going to be sent to all the Paris Jug members. All right. So, so one solution could be to, so if I take a look to this, one solution could be to invert the location and the dates and put that at the beginning, but I don't think this is a viable solution. My other ideas was to use maybe, because the link is quite long, is to use something called add event. So add event, it's a platform. There is a, yes, it's a platform to create events. So I'm using this for this live stream. And so I can create some events and share that with people. Like, and when people are adding that, they can add with just this link the event to any calendar. So, for instance, Apple, Google, or whatever. And because the link is short, it may be easier for me to add that to in a tweet without making any mistake. And they have an API, calendar API. So I think I'm going to use this to generate my my event links and replace the Google Calendar one. Okay, so let's start Che, and let's open a workspace and let's start to work on this. Exit Che. Other solutions, small description. Yeah. Obviously, but sometimes you don't have the choice. And you will need to update to calculate the size. But yeah. But maybe what I can do is keep the two options somehow. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, yes, let's create a new workspace. I think I have, sorry. I think I have, I have a dev file for that. But I'm going to, yeah, let's do that. Let's start from here. Maybe I'm going to close this one. So it takes less resources. Okay. While it is starting, and have a quick look at the API. So curl, can I do something like create a calendar or create an event? No, yeah. What I want to do is to create an event in the calendar. Having that, I have calendar that's already there. I think with the free, they're updating the platform right now, so I have to be careful. It may fail. Okay, so they have this calendar. I'm wondering what's the rules for the ID. What's the ID of going back to the application? What's that? If I just want to create an event, I have to provide anyway. I have to create anyway an ID. The good thing is that I can create an ID, a calendar ID. I use the ID with that with the default one, or maybe I can just list the calendar. I'm wondering if I can just like get the default calendar. If I don't pass the calendar ID, maybe it will get the default calendar. I will try that. Optional. Ah, yes, this is good. So I don't need to specify the calendar ID. Then I can provide the title, and I have everything. I have all this information already. So I can just use it. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look to G and see if it has been started. What's going on? Oof. Sometimes to mount the volume. Okay, let's wait a little bit more. So create the calendar event. Yeah, I think I have everything. Maybe I need to get the token, but I won't do it on that screen. Yeah, but yes, this is definitely what we want to do. All the event accepts rules. Okay, reminder. Yeah, all good, all good, all good. Okay, it is here. Okay, so do I trust Paris Jug event publisher? Yeah, I trust. And done. Blah. Doors. Yeah, I have. I think I can start that in dev mode. And I can enter something like Google Cal. Okay. Google Calendar. Or maybe I should create another command, like add event. Because I have campaign. Campaign is to generate the. Sorry. Campaign is to generate the email. Gcal is to generate the Google Calendar. But I can have something like add event. One more. This is what I'm going to do. Commands can just duplicate. I'll use the command line. So cd I would just copy this. Oh, I can just, yeah, no, I know. I would just generate that, duplicate. Easy. Copy. Of course, it's not the right name. So generate add event calendar. Oops, sorry, wrong. Add event calendar command. Okay. Let's do like that. Let's call it add event. Is that the right name? Add event, yes. No. Oh, okay. Not what's going on? I think my okay, it's downloading the dependencies. Gonna be soon ready. I don't have a cache here, so it's when I start a new workspace, it's downloading everything. Come on. Okay, it's ready. Control dot. No. Help. Let me. Move rename type. Yeah, that's it. Okay, generate add event calendar command. Yeah, so I need to provide the URL and then I have that thing. I don't think this is clean. Do that. What do you think? So actually, how it works before we start. So I have something called event page that is creating a page from a URL. So URL is basically something like you go to the Paris Drug web page. Wait, I have a message. I have to read it offline. Sorry, I'm just replying. So if you go to Paris Drug website, and I have to update this page, but basically I click there, copy this page. It will get all the information from this page, because if you you have a look to the page, inspect. There is some IDs like the title, or not that one, but yeah, like for instance, the title is gathered from there, so it's gonna fetch the ID title and get information here. So it gets all the information from this page, and then create the page. So this is the default implementation is the event HTML event page, right? So here we load from the HTML page the URL, and yeah. So I have this is used just for the unit test. So load HTML from local file. So I have some tests that are loading the page. This page that are in my in the local storage, and generate an event page from that. So if I have a look there, for instance, I should be able to find something like Python, not that one, but ID equals to, yeah, and we'll get the string. The same thing for, it's doing the same thing for the location, I think. And yeah, no, this is how it works. Page, so where was, so the question was, do we add a new, generate a new method here? I think it, yeah, I would do like that because it would be simpler. So this will use that simply. And what I can already try, oh, I have a completion error. Dot add implement methods, and I think I can do something. Yeah, I will copy the content of that, even if this is not the one. This is not what we want, right? Okay, if I give a try, so I won't call it I won't use the Jekyll command, but the what was the name of that command? Add event and the link. Oh no. Stop it. Okay, add event and the link of the meeting page. Okay, if I execute that, normally it should generate the Google Calendar because I have copy paste the same code. Ooh. No, it's not working. Why? I think maybe it's not enough to do that. I have to define the commands as a subcommand of what? This. You see, there's subcommands, so I have to add the create or generate. Generate add event dot class. Yeah, so it works. So if I click on that, not generating the add events event, but it works. Yeah. So you see, it's not the right date. Interesting. Very interesting. This is the right one, but that wasn't the right one. Strange. Yeah, so this is definitely how I messed up last time. Like if I do that, something like that. But you see, something is wrong with the. I think he did. I think it's a bug. Because it. Oh, this is so silly. The bug of the terminal. Yeah. This is not good. What the hell? That was good. I do like. This is not the right one. The not the right one, but I managed to have a good one. This is why I think I failed in my copy paste. Come on. Oh, wait. See, it's actually when I resize the window that I think this is the problem. I do that, it works. See, 14th of December. Whereas I use this one. Truncated. Why is this truncated here? I'm wondering if this is the like the Quarkus. Let me try something. I run it again, and if I take the previous one, you see, it's actually Quarkus. When you run the test, it will truncate the output somehow. Try again. Not this one. This one is okay. No, that wasn't the case. Maybe if I do that. No. It was good. Like here. But not here. Okay, I don't care. I will fix it because this is too long anyway. So I have that, it works. Even publisher, I don't care. Okay, so what I want to do is call the API. I just want to see what I was using. I think I was using HTTP to that. Yeah, I'm just looking at how I was using to so these are objects that are registered for version, but I think this is for the, so this is basically the object that I'm sending to the mail API. So when I send emails to all the members, it's using these objects and talking to the mail sender provider with a REST API. I want to use the same mechanism just to talk to the add event application. So have a look. Okay, I'm using like that. I'm sending a request. I'm using HTTP. Blah blah. Okay, all good. I would do something similar, but instead of calling send in blue API, I'm going to send a request to the add event calendar. So let's do that. It's using JSON to parse JSON files and convert them to JSON. All good. Let's give it a try. I'm going to copy paste. Let me think. What time is it? I hope I can fix that before the end. So create advent, blah blah blah. You know what? Yeah, I think I won't. Yeah, I have to keep it like that. Because the reason why I added that in the page, it's because it could be then be reused by Sendinblue. So actually, the email we receive. I open my emails. Close. Let me open you the right one. Email. Okay, so these are the kind of email we get, and you see this. There is a link to Google Calendar. So this is using the method. So this is generated by the method that is in the page. So generate at Google Calendar link, and we'll include that in. So if I want to, yes, I have to have the generator inside this method, so I can reuse that in my emails as well. Good. Okay. Let's paste what we had. So I will not create a campaign, but an event. Yeah. A cat event. Okay. Would you create Lego? Would you create automatic tweets? I missed some parts because my project. No, I don't think so. I would just make sure that the link is short enough so I don't make any mistake of copy paste at the moment. But I don't think yet I will create a tweet. Maybe later. Yeah. So cal event, I'm going to create the calendar event. This is going to be a this is going to be a JSON, the JSON object. Okay, I think I can pass to it. I would just pass it get long title. Actually, all the things the things, but I don't think I need to encode them, or maybe I will encode them, but in that will be done by the JSON library, I guess, the encoding. I don't have to do it myself. Get long title, get details, get start time, get end time, and get location. Okay, so I don't need that. I'm thinking, I don't need that. Okay. So you see, I'm not writing. Yes, I would keep everything. I will keep my object not created yet. I will not create the object yet. I will create it later. I want to fix some imports. Why? Wait. Oh. Extract. Okay, let's make it full screen. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's. I can't. Something like no. Okay. Let's copy that and. Okay, create local variable. Is that an object? Okay. I don't know why it's Let me try again. This is strange. If I do like create local variable, should get me a string. I don't know why it's returning me an object. Maybe there is some errors there, so you cannot do it. Why you are page. So this is the current page, so I don't need. Okay. What time is it? I still have 15 minutes. Body. Come on. Not campaign. But done. Okay. Request. Okay. Okay, HTTP. So this is the oh, okay. So this is not the right link because we're not. We want to talk to add event. My question is, can I pass the token somewhere else? Like, it's not a big deal, but change. I do token. And is that a post or what? To add event API, P1 event create. Looks like it's not a post, it's a get method. Strange. Really? I cannot do the get. Cannot do. Oh, I can only use post to post. How? What? Oh. Ah. It's in the URL. It's not in the. This is stupid. Stupid. So actually, I don't need. I don't need all this stuff. It's just a simple get method. Ah. Ah. Okay. Can I do like? So ideally, I want to add some arguments or parameters to the URL. So actually, the thing is, I would have to build my a URL. So it will be something similar to that. I don't need a HTTP. Well, yeah, I can just do something like here. Something like that. Okay. I don't even need I don't need an object for that. Hopefully I haven't created that. This is so silly. Okay, let's okay, let's do like that. I'm gonna get everything like string. It would have been so easier if it was using post, but no worries, because I have to encode everything by myself. I've done most of the thing. Here, string token. Then I have to get the token. Okay. Actually, I don't like to do that, but yeah, we do that for. I don't think it's clean to do that. Create not create even. Okay, I will copy paste that. So we said we don't need the calendar ID, but we need a title. So title is. I know it's not clean, but I will do it like that because it works. It's title encoded. Event name. What's the event name? Is that mandatory or not? Okay, no. I just need that. I will keep the description with the details. Plus coding plus. Oh, let's do some formatting stuff, otherwise. Okay. The description and some description, the details, and then the location. I need to add a new line. So location is location encoded. Plus organizer. Organizer is, I would hard code that, crew at parisjug.org. Oh. I'm wondering if I have to encode the email. You know what? I won't add. Oh, I have to do that. Okay. I will encode that. Okay, and that thing, that's okay. Just use that. What time is it? I'm gonna be a bit late, but I would like to finish. Let me see if there's anything in the chat. No. I'm gonna finish. Try to have something that compiles. Okay, so organizer is parisjug. Time zone. That requires time zone. I think I can get the right date. That. Yeah, it's not clean at all. Next happy life project timer, which kill Chi and switch after 1 hour. Yeah, but you know that's my I have a cron that is killing my Chi instance at 10 p.m. So I don't code after 10 p.m. And it saves me some money on GCP. Yeah, I don't think I would finish. Yeah, I think I will stop the streaming now because maybe you want to have a weekend. I think, and I will continue later. Yeah, and just for information. Just for information, yes, so next week I won't stream because it's gonna be Christmas time, and the week after neither. I think I would I'll do it, but yeah, I don't know if I will. Okay, so Lego fixed version before leaving to Friday. Fixing version. I don't get it. What does it mean? But yeah, maybe I would work on this a bit. I don't know when. But definitely, yeah. I don't know when, but yeah, I'll continue on that. I'll keep this this workspace and won't commit. But yeah, I will work on this later. So thanks very much for attending, and yeah, have a good holidays, and see you in 2022. Bye.